hot dog grilled cheese. Hot dog grilled cheese. I was watching this video on YouTube not long ago, Chiles and Smoke, and he made a hot dog grilled cheese that I just had to do. That's what I'm doing today. And it sounds pretty simple. There's a few steps involved here, but it's really not that bad. So basically, you take your favorite hot dogs. This is one of my favorites, Old Curtis brand, classic. These are the red ones, the old red ones. And I am going to score these things. You score these things and you invite the Andersons over, and man, they're just gonna lose their marbles because you scored them, okay? And we're going really crazy here. We're gonna go this way too, just like that. Just get you a nice sharp knife. Why we score it? Well, good question. I don't really know. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. It kind of opens up, makes a nice little surface area. We're just gonna roll these over. When they start cooking, those score marks, they start opening up and it starts accepting things. You know what I'm saying? Like saying, oh, seasoning, yeah, give me some seasoning, give me some fat, give me this and that, you know. So anyhow, just do the best you can, score it. You can do just one way or the other. I'm gonna use a little bit of butter, okay, for my weenie. And I do have that. I just cut this griddle on a second ago. I'm cycling on and off. It's hot out here, y'all. 96 degrees today, something like that. It's supposed to be.
Heat index is 105.
Heat index 105. Carolina is hot, hot, hot. Hotter than these hot dogs right here. But that's okay. Me and Jacob, we're here for your pleasure. And hot dog grilled cheeses. We're gonna lay these Curtis hot dogs down, and we wanna season them up a little bit. Don't be afraid. Season your weenies. Gonna put a little heifer dust. Heifer dust on weenies, perfect. All right, while those weenies are going, we got some other stuff to do. I got some old Sharp cheddar cheese, all right? Sharp, and I got some Colby Jack. Y'all know I love old Colby and Jack. They're some good friends of mine. Y'all, this thing's gonna taste amazing. I just know it is. Like, it's just one of those things. That's the reason whenever I saw that video and watched Chiles and Smoke make that. By the way, head over there and check him out too. It looks to be like a nice channel. Now we got our Colby, old Colby and Jack. They over here. They're like, hey, what about me, Hussey? Like, don't worry, Colby, Jack, coming for you, boys. I got some jalapenos that I'm going to make as well. I'm not going to make jalapenos. They're already made. We're going to put those into the bun as well. Let's head over here. Let's see what our hot dogs are looking like. Look at that. See that? See how it's opening up? That's what you want. Also curious about your hot dog preference. Are you like a light hot dog? I don't know. I got a little thing I'll pop up right here maybe of kinds of hot dog doneness that you like. It's like a 1 through 7. I like mine with a little bit of snap, a little bit of crisp to it. We're gonna get our buns ready. Thank you, Jacob, for getting these buns this morning, because they didn't give me any yesterday with my online order. And then I spent 15 minutes looking at this dog because she has a tendency, so I do online groceries a lot of times. Sometimes I'll go. They will leave them at the garage where I tell them, and somebody, come here, show everybody. Come here. Zita. Somebody, I'm not gonna call any names. I don't know if you can see me. No, you can't see me. She eats the buns, all of them. She's had 2 packs of hot dog buns, pack of hamburger buns, 2 packs of mini bagels, and a pack of regular bagels. That's all within about a month, y'all. So she's something. She is something. I tell you what, Jenny Craig would not be proud of her. I'm just going to tell you that right now. Ease up. All right, our buns. Got to be a little bit careful. Now, my buddy that I watched, he kind of did it this way, but y'all know me. Y'all know what I'm about. I'm about that Duke's mayonnaise, all right? So it's a sandwich. Hot dog's a sandwich. I said it, I mean it. We'll put a little bit of Duke's mayonnaise down. Okay. So I'm gonna come in, a little bit of this sharp cheddar, then a little bit of this Monterey Jack, then a few of these jallies, little jalapenos. Now, we're gonna take our weenie and we're gonna put them onto the bun, just like that. All right, once you got your griddle kind of clean, kind of come down to temperature. Oh, I wanted to tell you, now we're looking at, I don't know, what does that say, Jacob? 330. And if you reference your recommended griddle temperature magnet that you got right next to your griddle, it's got grilled cheese sandwiches, about 325 to 350 degrees. Your knobs, low, it's even got a knob version on there. Have them on low. Might even have to cut them off. Put a little water down if you need to, okay? So our griddle is in great state right now. We got our weenies. We got those. Let me put them here so y'all can see it a little bit better. Now, we're gonna stuff it with more cheese. Yes, I said it right, more cheese. Remember our temperature, it has probably not come down much. When you see your butter, it's not really doing a whole lot. That's good. Butter has a really low smoke point. So just want to be careful not to smoke your butter. It will turn black, brown, and it will taste terrible once you turn black, okay? So we got our grilled cheese hot dogs. Just gonna take them, we'll flip them down like so. Press on them a little bit. All right, we're just gonna let that set for just a little bit. We're gonna let that cook 2 to 3 minutes. We'll come right back, get you a little cheer wine, cool off a little bit. Lord knows it's hot. See you back in a minute. We need a dipping sauce. Chiles and Smoke, he made a honey mustard. So I thought, I'll make a little bit of a honey mustard. I like honey mustard. A little bit of Duke's mayonnaise. This right here is just my loose interpretation of honey mustard. I just kind of dump and stir, taste, and adjust as needed. Probably should have shook that up. Hate it when I do that, but a little bit of Dijon, Duke's mayonnaise, yellow mustard, Dijon mustard, yellow mustard, and of course, honey is first thing of this dipping sauce, honey, mustard, so you better have a lot of honey, okay? A lot of honey. A little bit of vinegar, use whatever vinegar. This is rice wine vinegar. And yeah, maybe a little bit of heifer dust. I guess if you wanted to make it a little spicy, you can use a little sriracha, you can use some cayenne pepper. I don't know. You can just do whatever you like, whatever your little heart's desire. There we go. Nice little honey mustard. You can dip whatever you want to in here. Flip-flop, chicken tender, whatever. I'll give it a try. Whew, okay. Tangy, sweet, that's money, dude. Let's flip our grilled cheese. All right, let's see what we got here. We can see what we got. Ho ho, boys. Ho ho, doggies. Oh, I get so excited. Look at that. Looky there. Yeah, baby. I actually had my burners off, so you know, it's just nice. It's got a little bit of a crust. It's set up. We're gonna cook it another 2 to 3 on this side right here. And we're gonna get these dudes on the cutting board and we're gonna enjoy them. I'm talking about straight enjoy them. All right, so as you can see, we've had a good little bit of melting going on. And I didn't have my 2 burners on because it was really hot and I thought I had plenty of residual heat. So I'm gonna put some more cheese on these like it really needs it. And I'm gonna flip it back onto the other side, the front side, top side. And I'm gonna let the cheese crisp up a little bit more because I do got the burners back on now, okay? So let's do it. Man, this thing is cheesy. It's like Jacob. Woo, boy, look at that, a little of that cheese come out right there. Dang it, boys and girls. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna let this, I don't know, maybe another 2 minutes. We made this a little bit more than what it was. Probably would have been just fine just the way it was, but hey, we're here to make things awesome, all right? All right, so we've given these a few minutes with that newly added cheese. Now, oh man, that's what we want right there. Yes, sir. Woo! That's what we're after. Yes, sir, ma'am. Dogs, cats of all ages. Let's get these things off. Let's give them a try. Let them cool down too. Man, I'm gonna give these suckers a try. I've been waiting for this. I'm gonna get this one right here. I'm gonna cut it. Whew. It's gonna be a little hot. Man, look at that. Look at that, a nice red Curtis hot dog. Whew. Let's dip this in this honey mustard. I shouldn't have did it. I should have ate just a hot dog first. I'll do one. You just wait. That's pretty awesome. Let me go from this side right here. It don't have honey mustard on it. Oh man. Those red weenies. I don't know if you caught my one video. Hopefully I've posted it by now where I tested weenies. I mean, the red ones, this is what we grew up with, and it just hits home. Woo! Oh man. The jalapeno. Perfecto. This would be good with pimento cheese as well. This is awesome. I can see, you know, camping folks. I can see this being a true home run too. Don't forget, griddle temperature chart, magnet, and got meat temperature magnets as well. Quick reference, you can just stick it right onto your griddle. Easy peasy reference. And yeah, check it out, be a link below. And yeah, hey, I appreciate you watching. Y'all take care. And you know, later on, maybe show me your weenie. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just kidding. That was stupid. Show me your weenie. Yeah, let's cut that off. Oh, show me your scored weenie. That's what I should say, more than that, okay? So, is this thing even on? Yeah, it's on. Whew. And we're just gonna roll it around, get it all into that heifer dust, all right? Let me get this bread tie out of the way. That'll be a nice little surprise for somebody. Like the hot dog grilled cheese has had a little bit of a little something else in it, you know what I'm saying? You all right, girl? Maggie wants a hot dog grilled cheese too.
I feel like it's more of a sub than a sandwich.
This is not a sub. This is a hot dog. It's a sandwich.
It's like a sub bun though.
Yeah, well, true. It still needs mayonnaise.
Yeah.
I don't care which way you slice it, right? All right.